Celebrity megastar and viral sensation. Celebrity Christopher and Angelic. Celebrity Penelope Fountain. Going around the globe and every nation. Today is June 12th, 2021. Today I just got done eating pizza and chicken wings out here in Arizona on 160 US highway. I pulled into this place, and at first I didn't think it was gonna be possible to eat there. Okay, I didn't think it was gonna be possible because I couldn't find the place. So when I arrived there, I seen these two starving dogs, and they were very hungry, and they were weak and laid down on the ground because of the heat, because of starvation and lack of water, so they were dehydrated. I went into the Ace Hardware there, and I bought 4 cans of dog food at $2.99 each for them. So I spent over $12 on them. I went next door to the Pizza Inn in Arizona here, and I'm near Ganado, Arizona, I believe. I'm not sure. Shipwreck, New Mexico. Shiprock, New Mexico, I believe, on this highway, US 160. So I gave them food. I went and got my pizza and chicken wings. I gave them all the pepperoni on it. They come up and we bonded, all 3 of us together. The one black dog put his paw right in my hand. It was ceremonial in nature. I mean, it shook my hand. They went from being scared of me to shaking my hand and licking my hand. And I'm not gonna lie to you, this is what type of celebrity I am. I'm mega famous. I shared my food with a dog without even being able to wash my hands. I just sat down on the curb right next to them in the parking lot of Ace Hardware, and we just bonded. We had chicken wings together. These 2 dogs, like, they looked at me. I wanted to bring them both with me. They were very big dogs, and one had a collar on it, the other one did not. But I'm not lying to you, it is a very sentimental time for me right now with these 2 dogs. I know for a fact that I did everything in my power to feed them. I left my cereal bowl full of clean, cold water, purified clean water with them. And that's all I could do because I couldn't take them with me because I didn't want to scare them. I didn't want to hurt them. And I asked people around the neighborhood whose dogs it belonged to, and they said that they live somewhere in the back neighborhood and that they're up there every day. So I don't believe it, to be honest with you. I think they were abandoned. I personally think that I should have taken them with me. You know, we could have bonded all the way back to Kansas. But to be honest with you, I did the right thing. I fed them. I gave them chicken wings, but they ended up chewing up the bones, which they really liked it. When I left, they both looked at me, and as I drove away, I was their last person in their sight. They were only watching me as I drove away. It's sad. I mean, I feel like I wanted to bring them with me. But I mean, it is very, very, very upsetting to me that I could not bring them with me. But I did everything I could to make sure they're going to live at least another week until someone finds them. If it is someone else's dog, then they're going to find them. They're going to look for them. I'm hoping. They did look very healthy. That's the only reason why I left them there. If they were starving, I would have taken them with me, like to the point where they were dying of starvation. But I did the right thing, and I think based on the show that was put on out there, like meeting the bowl of water, the empty bottle of water, the cans of food, I'm thinking it's going to draw the attention of more people, I'm hoping, to feed them. That's what I got. That's what I'm doing with my life. It reminds me of every time I see an animal in need. It doesn't matter what the risk is. It didn't matter if those dogs ended up biting me. I knew for a fact that my goal was to feed them and to provide them ice cold water. I gave them the whole gallon of water. So that's where I'm at. I promise I tried my best to take care of them dogs. I would have loved to take them with me. Here I am. Celebrity megastar and viral sensation. Celebrity Christopher and Angelic. Celebrity Penelope Fountain. Going around the globe and every single nation. I'm out here in Arizona. I'm still looking for my dog Romeo. Romeo is a black and white Japanese chin. He can be found on cake.com, KAKE.com, Channel 10 News, Wichita, Kansas. I'm under the impression that my dog is still alive in the Kansas area. He is microchipped. I need help from the globe. I cannot give up on my bond with my dog Romeo. He's a protege of me. He's my companion. Okay, our bond is inseparable. I want him back home. I'm not going to give up. I'm asking that there might be good people out there on the globe in the United States that can find my dog. I hope there are. Unfortunately, I don't meet a lot of people that are nice. But I'm hoping that this gains momentum. People can forward it, put it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever you got to do. I'm asking you, please, get my story out there, get it known. I'm looking at another beautiful bird in the sky. Beautiful wings. I love all animals. I'm not lying to you. I'm out here in Arizona. I'll tell you what, I'm going to take back what I said earlier in one of my other previous videos about a rattlesnake. They're living creatures. I don't hate them. I'm scared to death of them, but they deserve to live. Unfortunately, I don't like them. I would not hurt them. I think they should be left alone. The problem is they kill innocent people. That's a topic that I won't talk about anymore because I don't know what the right thing to do is about a rattlesnake. But they are a living creature. Sharks I don't like neither, but they clean up the ocean. I guess every animal has a purpose on Earth. I'm not sure. The rattlesnake, I'm frightened of them. I like to watch them in the zoo only. So I guess they may have a purpose, but the problem is I'm out here in Arizona. So I have to be very careful. That's the point of this whole topic in my video. I'm mega famous. You know my name, Christopher. Last name Fountain. Celebrity Christopher and Penelope Fountain. Going around Arizona, New Mexico, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Wyoming, Colorado, all the states in the United States, all over the globe. I'm asking for your help from the media. Help me find my dog. Call me at 954-309-3210. If you have any sight of a black and white Japanese chin, please call me directly. It don't matter what state you're in. You send a picture of that dog and I can verify if it's mine or not. I'll show up to any state where you think my dog is at. That's what I got to offer. I will pay you a handsome reward. No joke. I live for our bond. I would not be broken over a theft of a burglary of my pet in a scumbag ghetto of Wichita, Kansas. I'm asking for help from the entire globe. Please help me bring my dog back home. Rome.